Let's talk about Microsoft. And so their move is actually oddly similar to Salesforce. So Microsoft recently had an earnings call, and Satya Nadella, their CEO, had some pretty interesting quotes in the earnings call. One of the things he said was that every per user business will become a per user and usage business. So that's kind of like what Salesforce is saying with their headless MCP announcement.
You didn't put enough emphasis on the and. It's a per user and usage business, Kyle.
Right. And so it's like the per user in his mind is not going away. It's
Yeah.
just that there's more of it's a hybrid model with multiple revenue streams. So he did go on to say the seat-based pricing is just entitlement to some consumption. There are some base usage rights that get bundled in or packaged into seats. And so his kind of notion is like the seat's basically just saying, hey, you're used to buying per seat. You're going to get a certain amount of usage included in that seat, and then you can pay more for additional usage. The value isn't necessarily in the seat, it's in the consumption, but we're still going to keep a seat fee because you're really used to paying for it, and that gives them a floor on how much you're going to spend.
I read it as you have to buy the seat, but you kind of get jack shit for it. And if you want all the other cool stuff, we're going to hit you with the usage-based fee.
I mean, they're bundling in some usage, but yeah, I mean, I don't know how generous they're going to be with that included usage.
It's just your ticket to get into the show, Kyle. After that, you got to pay for all the beers. You may not even be able to get to hear the main band perform. You got to pay extra for that.
Well, I mean, access to the show, get to listen to the show. It's not like they're saying, hey, you can pay for a ticket to the show and then you pay per song you listen to while you're there. But a couple of interesting things with this announcement. So they moved GitHub Copilot to a usage based model effective June 1st. So this is one of their ways to say, hey, they're being aggressive about the shift. Satya also said 60% of their Dynamics 365 customer service customers are already buying usage based credits, and that Copilot credit consumption was up nearly 2x quarter on quarter. So they're really saying not only is this shift happening, they're trying to make it clear that they're already driving this transformation. Like this isn't new. They're going to see continued growth as usage increases.